Adding and subtracting radical expressions. The sum of a rational number and an irrational number, like 5 plus the square root of 2, cannot be simplified. However, the sum of similar or like radicals, that is, radical expressions that have the same radical factor, can be simplified. Let's take a look at an example. Here we have like radical expressions. Recall that to simplify expressions like 3x plus 4x, we use the distributive law, and we'll do the same here. We have 1 square root of 5 plus 2 square root of 5, which is equivalent to 1 plus 2 using the distributive property times the square root of 5, which results in 3 times the square root of 5. And generally that middle step is performed mentally. Let's take a look at the next example. 13 times the square root of 2 minus 4 times the square root of 2. We have similar or like radicals where we can use our distributive property and simplify by taking 13 minus 4, leaving it with 9 times the square root of 2. In this next example, we have similar radicals that are being added together. 3 plus 1 more gives us 4 times the square root of x. This last example, we are adding radical expressions, but because they are not similar or like, there's nothing further that can be done to simplify this addition of radical expressions. It's in its simplest form.